In today's lesson, we learned more about phonogram patterns and single-syllable words. In today's activity, you have been given a list of phonogram patterns as well as letters to help you create your own word. In the first column, you will drag letters to a phonogram pattern to create a real word. In the next column, you will create your own word based on the phonogram pattern you previously used. We'll do an example together. My first phonogram pattern that I see is A-N-C-E. I know that if I drag D to A-N-C-E, I have just created the word dance. So I'm going to type dance in the first column. In the next column, I'm going to create my own word using the same phonogram pattern. I know that prance has the same phonogram pattern, A-N-C-E. Once you are done with your letters, you will drag them back, and you will repeat this process until all columns are full.